All right, so what I'm about to show you is a pretty clear reenactment of me as a kid growing up when it came to broccoli.
Eat your broccoli.
No.
Eat your broccoli.
No.
Now, I love the edible green plant. First off, grab a large bowl because everyone is getting in the pool for this one. This is a great, quick recipe today. Grab 1 head of broccoli, about 325 grams, not including the stems. Let's cut off the florets, and if some are too large, just chop in half so that they are bite-sized. Place them into the bowl, and as for the stems, growing up, I actually enjoyed this part more than the florets. It has a nice, crisp, refreshing snap to it, and has a nice sweetness to it as well. Just slice off the hard, fibrous part to reveal the inside of the stem, and then just cut into small chunks and add that to the bowl. Next, grab a can of chickpeas and then just rinse under some water. Canned chickpeas are great because they're easier and faster to get this recipe done and on the table. Once rinsed, just add that to the bowl. Next up, 250 grams of cherry tomatoes that you can have or quarter. I like to have them, and add that to the bowl. Grab 3 to 4 small Persian cucumbers. You can grab any type you like, but I love the crunch and taste of these ones. Dice them up, and you guessed it, add to the big ass bowl. Finally, chop up half of a small to medium sized red onion, and you know what to do. I'm not even gonna say it. I have a small bunch of fresh parsley, about a 1/4 cup after I finally chop it up, and get that into the bowl. And there we have a nice big bowl of broccoli, chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and fresh parsley. Now it's time for the dressing. In another bowl, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Fun fact, I never tried this brand, Grey Poupon, surprisingly because I love Dijon mustard. And of course, when I went to the store and saw this, my mind immediately went to this.
Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon?
That is why you see Grey Poupon on your screen, the power of film. And then season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and then whisk it all up to emulsify, and you're left with a nice dressing that has beautiful viscosity. I just wanted to say viscosity. Give a taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Add the dressing to your bowl of veggies and give a big mix or toss until everything is coated. Give one last taste, adjust any seasonings, and then plate it up and bring that big plate of healthy deliciousness to the table. This is one of those salads that you can whip up real quick if company's coming over, if you need an idea for a barbecue. Plus, there's no cooking involved. It's fast, it's fresh, it's easy, and delicious. So I hope you give it a go. And for the full recipe, click the link in the description below because I have a website now. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.